I'm going to be continuing where we left in the last video. So there's something I quickly wanted to show you on the master page. Source, is it the source of them? Okay, yeah. So as I was saying earlier on about CSS, if you go to the master page, if you go to the source view, you can see that all the modification that we're doing on the master page is being added as a CSS. If you know your cascading style sheet, if you don't know your cascading style sheet very well, you can leave a comment there. Maybe I can do a quick video so you can know how to design a very beautiful website. But I'm not going to be doing any beautiful website here. It's just a quick introduction. So usually designers are not programmers. That's why we companies, they always have like two separate. That's why actually it's good for us to be able to separate our codes. You can separate the design from the logic, so you can have all the geeks writing the books, and you can have all the people that knows how to design beautiful website to do the graphics and the CSS and all that. Anyway, but if you know how to do both, that's very, very advantage. So anyway, so this is where all your C# is being placed at the top here, and this is the rest. So now let me take you to the design view and tell you how to add content, because right now if you go to the default.aspx or page 2, if you switch to the design view, can you see what is happening? I cannot write anything. So how do I modify the content? Oh my god, how do I modify the content? If you go to the page 2, it's the same thing. If you switch to the design view, you can't write anything on it because this is the master page. You cannot modify it. So that's why we have the content placeholder. Remember, we have the content placeholder. Also, this is something that might get you confused. You see the cursor is being placed right in the middle. It's being placed right in the middle. So if you type, it's going to start typing in the middle. It can drive you mad if you don't know what to do. But I'm here for you. All you have to do is just go to the style area. See this area, style. Click on it for that particular page that you want to modify. Go to the, I think it's the block. Yes, the block, and just click on the vertical align and choose top. Vertical align is top. If you click OK, so when you type, can you see magic? It's magic. It's not magic. You just have to know your way around this thing. Anyway, now that we've placed our cursor at the top, it's time to choose a content placeholder. So drag the content placeholder into the area where you want the content to go. So if you want the content to go here, if you also want to have a content in this area as well, but I'm not going to be adding content in this. I only want my content to be in this section. So I'm going to be hiding the content placeholder. So now if we save this and we go to our default.aspx, can you see now we have somewhere to type? Create custom content. So now you see we can start typing. This is the default can't type default page. I hope you understand what is going on. Right, so this is our content placeholder, and we can start typing inside. Same thing goes for our page 2. Now we have our custom content. So you click on that and say create custom content. Now you can say this is the second page. Using master page is very cool. Right, so now if we run this page, you will see that what we've typed is actually what it is. You see, this is the second page using master page. Is very cool, and that's page 2.aspx. Also here the default aspx, if you run it, you get the content that you type. So what does that mean? I'll show you what it means. This is actually making me angry. Why does it I want it to be how many pixels? make it out anyway. So if I had another page, say page 3 had a new item and it's web form, and I said page 3, we automatically get page 3.aspx. I want to select a master page. If I add it, select the master page. So if we go to the design view, you see automatically we get this create custom content, so we can type in our content, what we want to type, which is this is the 3rd page, and we are enjoying our store page. Anyway, you get the idea now. So if we run that, we can see that our 3rd page has been created, and it's looking good. So that means from now on you can have a website that has the same look and feel. I can change this one to page 2. Let me change this one page 2.aspx, page 2, and automatically we get that. And that's it really. So I'm going to come back for to show you how to continue with your master page.